In this video, you will learn how to use the powerful XLOOKUP function in Excel to quickly find information from a large dataset. Let's get started. So here you can see that in the employees master data, we have the employee's ID, their name, department, designation, salary and city. And you can see that this master list is quite a long and it is very difficult to search data manually. To search data with the help of XLOOKUP function, we can have a lookup panel on the right. So in this lookup panel, we have the employee's ID, then we have the name, department, salary and the city. And we want to search with the help of employee's ID that whenever we enter any employee ID, we get the name, department and salary as well as the city of that employee. Now to do this, we need to use the XLOOKUP function here in this cell under the name. So here I will write equal XLOOKUP. Now in this syntax, first we need to enter the lookup value. And because we want to search with the help of the employee ID, so I will select this cell. Next I need to enter the lookup array. So because the employees IDs are present in the parent data in this first A column, so I will select this column. After this, I need to provide the return array. So because I am going to search the name, so therefore my return array will be the names column in the employees master data list. After that, I can enter any text that if nothing matched, that text will appear. So in inverted commas, I will write not found. After this, I am going to close the parentheses and hit enter. So you see I get the name of that employee. Now to get the department and salary, I just need to bring my cursor to the bottom right corner of this cell and then drag it to right. So here you see I have applied the XLOOKUP function to all these cells as well. The benefit of using the XLOOKUP function is that you can search on any direction and we don't need to provide the column index number or the row index number as we need to provide in the VLOOKUP function and the HLOOKUP function. So it's mean that this function is more flexible and easy to use as compared to the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. This is how you can use XLOOKUP to retrieve data quickly and efficiently in Excel. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to KnowHow for more practical Excel tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.